How to fix Toyota app not working. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix the Toyota app not working. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end to understand it. But before that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. First thing first is you need to see if you have a good internet connection or not. If you don't have a good internet connection, you may just switch up to a good internet connection with the greatest speed and try using the Toyota Connect app or Toyota app. If that doesn't work, what you can do is simply head over to the Play Store and here go to the search bar. After that, go to Toyota and go to the Toyota app that you've installed on your device. After that, look for updates. If any kind of update is available, just go to update and update your app. If that doesn't work, just go to the main settings of your device. Just head over to the main settings. After that, scroll down a bit until you are able to see this app section. After that, simply click on the search bar and you should be able to see the Toyota app. Just search for Toyota app if you are not able to find it. After that, go under storage and you should be able to see this clear cache option. Just clear cache, or you may just clear data if necessary and log in into your account, re-log in into your account. After that is done, just close your settings and restart your device if that is also necessary, because that may also fix the issue sometimes. So therefore, those are the methods you can use in order to fix your Toyota app not working on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.